Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to scan and translate text using Google Translate. So first, we have to open the Google Translate app. Then tap the camera icon and change the language. For example, this language is Thai and I want to translate it to English. Once done, point your camera at the text you want to translate, like a document or even a product. Then you'll see the translation appear on screen. You can also tap this white circle to capture the image and it will show the translated text. It is a quick way to understand printed text instantly, no typing needed. And this is how to scan and translate text using Google Translate.